Advantages of artificial intelligence. It is a widely known fact that the capabilities of the human mind vary from time to time, situation to situation, their surroundings, and physical and mental exertion. Whereas AI, on the other hand, has no such limitation and can function efficiently even under harsh conditions. Similarly, AI also has some other advantages over human intelligence. Process automation. Humans have the tendency to get bored while performing repetitive tasks, which can hamper their productivity. Such tasks can be done by intelligent machines without any external intervention, allowing humans to engage in more demanding and creative tasks. Quick decision making. The speed at which human takes decision is much slower than AI systems. Humans' reaction to situations is much slower, whereas AI-enabled systems can process information faster and are also structured way more efficiently. Accuracy. Human intelligence is not failure-proof, but AI systems are.
AI-driven software can only be faulty due to human limitations or hardware failure.
Therefore, AI is used in production lines to detect small cracks or defects in parts that are normally undetectable by human eye. Quicker data analysis. Humans spend a large amount of time and effort to analyze and filter data, but AI systems can manage and organize huge volumes of data in much less time. Analysis of data collected from production can be carried out in real time, which means it processes the data as soon as it entered in database. Take decisions rationally. Every day, human intelligence processes a lot of phenomena that affects the quality of decisions taken by humans. They might even take a different decision while knowing full well that it is not the most rational decision. Whereas AI systems can think logically without emotions, making rational decisions with fewer or no mistakes. They don't need to sleep, rest, take breaks, or get entertained. Neither do they get bored or tired. Ability to complete dangerous tasks. AI-enabled machines, systems can explore in space, go underwater, help in digging and mining tasks. The tasks that are considered dangerous for human beings can be easily handled by using AI-enabled machines.